Feels like we're on a bullet train. Oh, look what's coming.
Oh, another one going right past us. Whoa.
Whoa. Wow. Look what else is coming. Whoa. Yep. Tremont's his other platform is only good to handle one coach at a time. Right?
You can stay here.
I don't know. Look, Adam can be here being my little conductor. Adam, you can be over here.
Look, or you can see outside.
Sounds like a phone. Doesn't it, Chad?
Yeah. You can stand behind him, Chad.
What?
You can stand behind Adam.
Yep. Oh, there's another train.
Oh, I don't like you holding that handle.
It's locked.
Is it?
Yep, locked and secured. I can't imagine this is my throttle. Driving this thing.
Oh, there's another train coming.
I never see a front of a train like this before. I never see a front
Oh,
of it.
no?
No, this
Is what Adam did in the subway that day.
Oh.
You didn't get to see it.
Oh, he turned the
Whoa.
briders on.
Yeah.
He turned the briders
Oh,
on.
he did?
Thanks.
Thanks.
Sucks.
Oh,
Hold on.
bumpy.
Oh, there's another train. Turning. Whoa, we're tilting a little bit. There's a modern one.
Ooh. Whoa.
We're so close to it.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Oh, look, we have a green light, but the other ones have a red light.
Oh. That looks important.
Whoa. I can feel that under my feet.
As you can see, this station is only quote
Daddy.
get back to the train because I want a full cab ride right from Botanical Gardens to Grand Central.
Now, how many more stops do we have?
We'll hear from the
Do you know where we're at?
conductor.
He's asking the conductor.
No,
Chad, how many more stops?
I don't know, but there's the slowest train ever coming up.
And another one.
Oh my god!
Two.
Oh my god, that's amazing. Going through a yard. Now it's important.
Going back underground, right, Chad?
Soon. That's a Metro diesel.
Look at that, Mommy.
Yeah.
We never see those most often. Oh, there's another diesel train.
I don't know where to look, on which side. You got trains on this side and trains on the other.
I can't even tell how many tracks there are. Whoa. Switching tracks.
Dark. Did we switch tracks?
Yeah. Get the skyline of New York City in the distance.
Oh.
We're going above ground. Going over the bridge.
To Manhattan, right?
Yep.
Goodbye, Bronx, and hello, Manhattan. Right, Chad?
Yep. Oh, there's another one.
On a bridge.
What?
Around a corner.
Around the corner.
Chad, that's the same kind that we were on, right? That we are on right now, right? That's the same kind, right?
Call the 125th is next here.
Oh,
Second.
we only have 2 more stops. Two more stops.
Call the 125th.
There's one stopping.
Look, a diesel one.
Just pulling out. Hey.
The track down there. Any rats?
Harlem.
Next stop is ours.
Yep.
Grand Central's next and our final stop.
Getting ready for junior conductor training here, Chad.
Kind
Try
of.
not to swear over the PA.
How do you get it to focus?
It's a focusing.
Is there a focusing button?
There's no focus button.
No?
It's okay.
A diesel one. Look, Mommy.
Uh-huh.
Video it.
I am. Whoa.
And another one. Whoa, both New Haven ones by Wigwam Metro North, right?
Well, we're going to go into the tunnel soon. Oh, there's going to be 2 coming at us. That's going to be awesome.
Grand Central Terminal will be our next and final stop.
Up.
There's going to be 2. Here's one. And here's two. And free.
Grand finale of trains, right, Chad?
Yeah.
Burgers on.
Because we're going underground, right, Chad? Look, Mommy, we're going underground, right?
Yeah. Look at how all these tracks go. There's a lot of different ways to go.
Get it coming in.
My arm's getting tired.
I'll help.
Sorry. Are you gonna watch this?
Yeah.
And 4. White, Chad, and 4, white.
There goes another one.
In the tunnel, white.
In the tunnel we go.
Goodbye, free, white.
Yep, goodbye street. Hello. Now into
Tunnel.
the tunnel we
Wow,
go.
it looks like it's going right towards us. Whoa.
Oh, that is so cool. Oh, you can see icicles
Where?
on the ceiling.
Oh.
Hope we don't hit it. Yeah. What? Whoop. And 5.
Now it's square.
And 5 a bed. And 5 a bed.
Another
Wait,
train.
Chad.
Another train.
And 6. And 6.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Can't be here right now.
Oh.